bird feeder at Strand Hardware for DIY with Dad. It was very fun. We are building a bird feeder out of some, how many centimeters?
1.6 meters.
1.6 meters?
Yeah, 12 millimeters thick.
That can't be 6 meters. That's
1.6.
Oh, 1.6 meters. 1 meter.
12 millimeters thick.
12
Yep.
millimeters.
And 140 millimeters wide.
Yes.
Very easy to get.
So we have some nails and a
little
hammer, a tape measure,
Yeah.
some always safety first, so some safety glasses in case. Can you pass me those, please? Earmuffs, which I'm probably going to need for the hammering because last time at Strand that was bad.
Yeah, it was loud. But we had saws, and you can actually cut these little squares out with even a hacksaw. These miters are a little difficult with those, but they can be done.
So we have the sides.
Yeah.
These things for keeping the. Let's just move. For keeping the
even that big tape measure.
The seed from going out.
Also for a bit of stability.
Yeah.
When we put the
Then
nails
we have
in.
the gables.
Gables.
Obviously, there will be another
Good,
one
that's right
at
there.
the other side.
Leave that there. Yeah, that's perfect.
And we have a roof. One plank is a bit longer than the other one.
Yeah, a little wider.
A little wider.
They're both the same length, 300
Yeah, but
millimeters.
a little wider.
Yeah.
And then when you fold them together like this, you get a roof. See? And then you're gonna hold it really nicely there.
And we're just gonna go there.
And then the next
And then
roof.
the wider one goes to the top and clamps it up there. And we're gonna put some nails.
Yeah. Okay. Obviously, you can paint it if you want.
Yeah.
Oh, and right on time. First, we're gonna start with Wait, are we gonna start with nailing these on?
We're gonna start with nailing the sides on.
Yeah.
So
We're gonna start with nailing the sides on.
So we've got 80 millimeters there. All we're gonna do is put those sides in the middle somewhere.
Yep.
So in the middle, make a little mark over there. Make another little mark on the other side, and I'm gonna hold it for you.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put them
I have to stand up for this so you won't see my face.
just a little. Let's get the hammer.
Okay.
You could put your glasses on too.
My glasses on.
Yeah.
I thought you said like reading glasses, something like that.
Oh,
I don't have reading glasses. My vision is perfect.
and yeah, we're gonna put two little nails
Right there.
right in the corners.
I'm gonna put them in your mouth. Ow.
I'm gonna hold this here for you. Let me.
This is steady. There we go. Got it.
Nice and straight, nice and straight. Good. Nice.
Second nail.
Nice. Nice and straight. Oh, mind you, don't pinch your finger. There we go, that's good and straight. Oh, you nearly hit my finger. Oh, my finger, oh my goodness. We've got to do some nails down.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, yes please.
That was not good. No.
Come.
No.
Go.
This is not. No. This was not.
Don't put your fingers in. Okay, let's see it straight. Okay, let's get it in there nicely. Don't hit my finger. Okay, controlled. Nice. And we're going to put these in. And they're going to be nailed in from the top as well, right? Alright, so they're going to be nailed in from one inside there and one inside there. One from there, nice and straight. One from there, and you get them in. Let me see that this space. Good. Straight. Beautiful. Oh, mind your fingers. Let me put this inside here. Okay, get that in there. That makes it more stable. There we go. That was perfect. And now we got the gable ends in. That looks good.
Next. And then we're on the last two pieces.
Yeah, just the roof.
Yeah. And then you can paint it. Do whatever you want. Hang it outside. Put some seed inside there.
Yes, here we go.
And after a few days, the birds will get used to it. And you'll what? Sit outside maybe.
Check.
Have some
Which way are you
tea.
going? Which way are you going there?
And
That one was going too far.
watch.
Okay,
birds
tap it in there.
kicking
Tap
inside.
it in. Just tap, tap. Okay, let's see that. Make sure you keep going straight now. Okay. Well, we've got the gable ends.
Moving on.
What's next?
Roof.
So, what did we say? We said two pieces. One is just a little wider than the other. So, that's a better way of looking at it, you see. Same length, but one's a little wider than the other. So that when you open it, watch. Open it like that. Butterflies. Comes to a 90 degree. And
A
they
roof.
are the same length. We're going to put some nails, some pins, panel pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll come this side. Are you ready?
Yeah. Ready.
And now the roof goes on top, and then we get some nails in there.
And just we're done.
That one's got to go there, and that one's got to go there. Come on. Good. And we have
A bird feeder.
thanks for watching.